What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we are going to talk about mounting a TV into a stone fireplace. Whether it's like a full-blown thick stone or a thin little veneer, or if we're just mounting into sheetrock, these are all different applications, and we have the pros in the different cities all around the country that can help you out with making sure it's professionally mounted and give you the confidence and the peace of mind to know that it's going to be done right and everything's going to be level and straight and stay up there for many years to come. We're in Fort Collins, Colorado, and I'm going to be bringing Tony onto the video today, and he's going to explain what his procedure is and what makes him different from some of the other guys in the area. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related or you need install, give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Let's go!
So with this TV, we've got veneer tiles on the above the fireplace and around the surround. So with this, we had to find out where the studs were. So we're finding out where the studs were. We've got two wall plates on the wall. We've got one which is a brush plate for our low voltage wires and one which is an outlet for the electrical side. With that, I was able to find out where the studs were because the boxes are always mounted onto the studs. So I found out where the right stud was, which was roughly here, and then I was able to take the low voltage plate off, check inside to see where the left stud was. So when you're mounting TV on any wall, whether it's tiles, drywall, you really want to make sure you're hitting the studs for that extra security and strength, especially when the TVs get bigger than 43 inches. And with this TV, it came with its own custom soundbar, which is about 1 inch thick. And you can see with this soundbar, it was very precise to get it level.
Yeah, you did a great job. It lines up perfect. With
the TV and line it up all the way through, so you've got the same gap from left to right.
So just explain to the people, you actually had to drill through this veneer.
Yep.
And then go into the studs, the wood.
Yep.
2x4s in the wall.
Yeah.
It's important to note that, guys, because I've seen a lot of projects where the TV is just barely hanging on. And I only want to work with guys who understand how homes are built and mount our expensive equipment properly. I mean, you can see right here, that's why I was kind of, as he was talking, pointing it out. This is not like solid stone. You can't just, this isn't like a concrete wall. You can't just mount right into it. You got to drill through this little thin piece of stone, and then behind it, there's actually wood that's framing out the wall, just like in your sheetrock walls. But I thought this was a good opportunity to talk about it because you guys asked to have your TVs mounted above stone fireplaces every single day. This is the new normal.
Yep, yeah, everyone loves a TV above a fireplace.
Cool.
And with this soundbar, it's the same width for the TV, so I had to be very precise in making sure they were both square with each other, the TV and the soundbar, as the customer had a very eagle eye, and she was happy with the work done, what we done, and she was really pleased with the end product.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on how to mount your TV into a stone fireplace. I've actually made DIY videos on the Dreamedia channel. Type that in, Dreamedia TV, fireplace, something like that. And you'll see me actually drilling physically through the wall. And you can actually see it on our Dreamedia installs channel as well. But what's so cool is, just like Tony was saying, the customer was literally just in the kitchen making some coffee, and she's like, you know what I like about Tony is that he is very precise. Like, he was down to the 1/8 of an inch, just making sure that everything was perfectly level. She was saying how there were some other contractors in here, and she looked at the shelf and she was like, that thing is not quite level. Level, straight, into studs. I mean, these things are important, guys, and I want to make sure all of our preferred installers that we're recommending to you are doing perfect work that will last for many years to come. So this one's here in Fort Collins, Colorado. You guys know we're everywhere in the United States. So if you would like to purchase anything for your home electronic related, make sure to reach out today and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and then get you hooked up with those 5-star pros. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.